We hope you enjoy what promises to be a great tilt between these two teams.
It's an exhibition matchup between the Carolina Hurricanes and the Pittsburgh Penguins. Svechnikov backhands it. Svechnikov jumps on the loose puck. Rast. Crosby has it. Huge save by Mrazek. Slavin runs over Sidney Crosby. Played up. One times it. Zucker scores! The backhand is a lost art form, but he found it on that shot. Nice goal indeed. Looks like this game is going to be fast-paced.
That's what the fans want to see.
Gensel takes possession of the puck.
Assisted by number 7.
One-timer! Scores!
A good wrist shot is hard to stop. And that was a good wrist shot.
Not even 5 minutes in and they're up by 2.
They're trying to lock this one up early.
Assisted by number 15.
Dzingel gets shoved.
By number 17.
He gets hold of the puck. Carolina needs to be making a line change soon. Shea, Malkin shoves him. Shea gets hold of the puck.
Line 1, get up there! Line 1!
Gardiner gets hammered. He takes control of the puck. Aho. Wrist shot. Jerry stabs at it.
Great save with the glove hand.
Dumoulin with the puck. Zucker.
Line 4!
Slavin knocked him off the puck. Backhanded shot. Saved by Mrazek.
That wasn't going to happen.
Slavin. Svechnikov gets pushed. That's icing. Vogel. Tanev. Knocked him off the puck.
He landed a solid hit.
Pedersen gets checked. Carolina dumps the puck in. Pittsburgh scoops it up. Tanev. Marlowe grabs it. Vatanen grabbed it. Wilczek gets checked. He takes possession of the puck. Williams corrals it. He gets laid out.
Some definite contact there.
Passed ahead. Brings it out. Delayed penalty coming up. Martinook will go to the box for hooking.
The referee makes the call. It's hooking. And that means 2 minutes in the box.
Carolina will take the penalty and sacrifice a player.
Now the game gets interesting. It's going to take real mental discipline to kill this penalty.
Mrazek intercepts the pass, and he covers up for the face-off. Crosby won the face-off. Played back. Out of their defensive end. Quick pass up. Gensel whips a shot. He jumps on the loose puck. Scores! That's a power play goal.
They used the manpower advantage to net that last goal. Nicely done indeed.
Jordan Stahl scoops up the loose puck.
By number 4. Justin.
With a one-timer. Pittsburgh picks it up. Jerry gets the wood on it. Evgeny Malkin.
87. Shipping Bunker.
Slavin grabs the puck. Over the blue line. Shoots hard. Blocked. Hornqvist takes control of the puck. Slavin picked up by Carolina. With a wrist shot. Jerry, great save.
Denies him with the pad.
And out they come with a puck. Centered. Letang gets hold of the puck. Wrist shot. Mrazek slams the door shut. Jerry. Letang jumps on the loose puck. Jordan Stahl gets checked. In over the line. Carolina needs to be making a line change soon. Shea grabbed the puck. Carolina gobbles it up. Martineau. Carolina picks it up.
Line 2.
Simon. Shea pushes him. Nice work. Passed ahead. Played up. Over the line. Dezinkel one-times it. Scores!
A goalie needs to quickly read the shooter and react. If he waits too long or hesitates, he'll be fishing the puck out of the back of the net. He let go of the wrist shot, and it paid off handsomely with accuracy.
That's right. You don't always have to wind up with a big slapper to get it past the keeper. Tanev.
By number 20, Sebastian Aho.
Vatanen takes control of the puck.
Jake Gardiner.
Fogel. Backhand shot. Johnson.
Line 1.
Line 4.
Pesci with the puck. Goes behind his net. Quick pass up. Moved ahead. Rast gets rubbed off the puck. Netchas. Netchas. Backhand. He scores!
They fought tooth and nail to get back into this game. That last one puts them within a single goal. Things are heating up now. Nailed it right off the pass. Man, oh man.
Gardiner gets the loose puck. Dezinkel.
Assisted by
Pittsburgh gets a hold of it. McCann. He gets laid out.
by number 23, Brooks McGee.
Sherry freezes the puck. Stahl wins the draw. Saved by Jerry.
Terrific recovery on the rebound.
Advances the puck. Hornfist stands up. Stahl.
If you have any questions, comments, or concerns, feel free to approach any of our arena staff. We're here to help.
After a close first period, we're ready to start the second.
Each team needs a good start to shake things up. Look for them both to make an early statement.
Center. Williams. Move back. He gets hold of the puck. Glove check. Shoots it hard. He scores!
It didn't look good for them early. That goal ties this one up. What a comeback effort. What a sweet wrist shot right there. He just picked his spot and snapped it home.
Letang gets hold of the puck. Rast
Number 14, Justin Williams.
working along the perimeter. Zucker shoots. Mrazek intercepts the pass. Aho gets shoved. Dezinkel finds the loose puck. Shoved.
That'll keep him guessing.
Crosby. Niederreiter scoops up the loose puck. Martineau. Martineau dumps it. Schultz has it. Martineau runs over Brast. Netchas with the puck. Jerry hangs on for the whistle. About to drop the puck. The faceoff goes to Carolina. Tervainen gets in the way. Out of their defensive end. Advances the puck. Moved up. Brings it in. Jordan Stahl. Pettersson takes control of the puck. Simon. Up along the boards. Played up. Slavin. Moved ahead. Svechnikov scoops up the loose puck. Evgeny Malkin. Hornqvist gets pushed. Aho takes possession of the puck.